A Jacksonville church is finding a way to provide affordable housing to its neighborhood and revive development in other parts of the city.
News4JAX reporter Aaron Farrar joins us, and the church's pastor says that this starts with the construction of affordable townhomes on the north side.
Reverend Micah Sims is the pastor at Greater Grant Memorial AME Church. Sims has a vision, redeveloping these 3 areas that will include affordable or workforce housing. The plan is to build 36 duplex townhomes in these areas, 2 of them across the street, the rest along Gilchrist Road.
We're looking to develop a real wholesome community that people will be able to, enjoy life, enjoy their neighbors, and really find a way to become community stakeholders in the future and vitality of Jacksonville.
Sims says eventually the goal is for people to have a chance to rent to own the homes the church has planned.
We're going to literally help people build themselves into homeowners, and not just homeowners, but really kind of diminish that financial literacy gap that oftentimes happens. We want you to really enjoy financial wealth, not just through a house, but getting your future planned out. Your retirement, your savings, your educational portfolio together for your children, for your children's children.
We're asking for a healing in the building.
This is just one project in the works. 2 miles away, near the intersection of Suits Hill Drive and New Kings Road, another 69 single-family homes are going up. Zoning and permitting are already approved. People may be able to start moving in shortly after the new year.
We really need to begin to engage on how we can improve and impact our communities. We can't just leave it to developers, can't just necessarily leave it to the government.
The church has developed a program called the Community Development Corporation to make all of this happen. Their plans also include revitalizing Jacksonville Regional Shopping Center at Dunn Ave and Lem Turner Road. Work has already started there. A few new businesses may share the space, as Sims says is being renamed Greater Town Center, with new looks possibly being noticeable as soon as August. Aaron Farrar, Channel 4, the local station.
Now, when it comes to the development close to the church, Sims says that he anticipates that their new neighbors will be able to move in about a year from now.